Shanghai FARFLY. This episode, I will introduce our 3-shaft mixing kettle for you. Let's go and have a look. As you can see, this is the 3-shaft mixing kettle. It has the 3 shafts. This one is the big shaft for the high-speed mixing. This is the big shaft motor. It is 75 kilowatts. And those 2 are for the low-speed mixing. The motor marked with the gearbox. This one is 5,000 liter. That means the working volume is 5,000 liter. For the 3-shaft mixing kettle, usually it is suited for the high viscosity and high solid contact materials. Like this one is for our customer. They do the adhesive. Their viscosity already over to than 100,000 CPS. Okay, that's all. If you like our video, please follow with us. We are paint and chemical machine. Thank you. Bye bye.